Hello everyone and welcome again to Alcalà Technology. First of all, thank you everyone to follow all the chapters and all the cars that we are doing. Actually, I'm looking really sweat. I'm doing a lot of stuff in the garage and we have finished one BMW and we start another one. You can see me with a jig that I'm gonna check the micrometers that we have in the car and see how many times this car it's been repainted. Well, first of all, let me introduce this car. It's a BMW E46 M3 CSL. The CSL, the mythic CSL. Carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber front and rear bumpers. Incredible car. The engine sound is totally crazy. And yeah, so the customer wants us to check the full car, at least the aesthetics of it. And I'm gonna check, actually visually I can see that some of the parts have been painted, repainted. And yeah, so during this chapter of this car, what we're gonna do is reduce all the thickness of paint to become the original paint again. And we are gonna do the same to all the car because we need to repair the bumper with some stone chips. And yeah, so at least let me show you where we are in these. So we have 410, 420 micrometers. So this means that at least it's been painted 2 to 3 times. So yeah, we're gonna remove all this paint, reach the base of aluminium, make it in a proper way, and yeah, and then repair some of the spots, because on the other side we have a little spot also. I need to repair also this front, as we also have about 330, 300, so the same, I think, both sides. I can see some of the details of the repaint. And yeah, I mean, willing to start the project. And yeah, let's 3, 2, 1, inside. Oops! I take a second to stop the video just to say, if you're really enjoying our video and you really want to help us, just click the screen on your mobile phone or take the remote control of your TV, just going down there and just give us a thumb up. It really helps us to grow in our channel. So let's continue. Hey, are you aware that we have an online shop where you can buy a lot of designs of Alcalà Technology? Aren't you? So just click on shop on YouTube. So you go out of the video, shop, and then it will direct you into our shop online where you can buy a lot of different designs that every month and every week we are uploading. Like for example, this one. Here again. So we have these designs. Every month we will have different designs with the cars that we have done. So it will be really cool and super enjoyable. So let's continue to the video. Well, here we are. We are dismantling this BMW. As you could see, at the beginning we were doing all the front, now we're doing all the rear. And it's late afternoon, we will disassemble the doors, we will remove all the trims, everything, to paint the door inside, outside, all the inside of the car. Yeah, I'm surprising as this BMW is very well done, and actually the details that it has, it's really like a race car. So, really like the disassembly of this car. So yeah, let's keep removing parts to get prepared for the body. Hey, are you aware that we have an online shop where you can buy a lot of designs of Alcalà Technology? Aren't you? So just click on shop on YouTube. So you go out of the video, shop, and then it will direct you into our shop online where you can buy a lot of different designs that every month and every week we are uploading. Like for example, this one. Here again. So we have these designs. Every month we will have different designs with the cars that we have done. So it will be really cool and super enjoyable. So let's continue to the video.